Hello, beautiful people. Future me. I had some problems with the OBS, mainly that it is saving badly. Maybe you saw in the last videos, probably not. You see, those are short, they were longer, and it took forever to save anything in there. So after clicking this button, there it was saying like saving something, and then I clicked it again, and I guess it chopped the rest of the video, which it was encoding or whatever. But I had these problems only after I switched to the lower resolution than there actually is this part of the screen. So I was thinking maybe it is because of the rescaling of that. Maybe. I don't know. So I'll try go back to the 1080p resolution. And the reason for switching away from 1080p was to save my CPU load. Decreasing the resolution did not prove to be the main factor. The main factor seemed to be running, have lots of opened Chrome tabs. So I will try again, close everything except for what I need. Uh, and also I will not play a music on the YouTube. So hopefully that will solve my problems. So, but we are not here for talking about my problems with recording, or well, we fucking are. I do whatever I want to. No one watches this anyway. So we will start with improving my programming capabilities. We will start with we'll do Java. Java streams basically is the thing I want to improve on. And I'll start with typing, which is a custom around in here, 5 minutes of typing exercise. I hope to get my new keyboard soon. Okay, let's go. All right. It kind of felt good to be doing that. Lots of errors, but hey. Fast 10 fingers or something? I don't know, fuck that. Okay, I don't know where it was. Come on. Type script tutorials. What is the typing? It was typing tests. Yeah, this. Right. All right. And we will go to the streams, and maybe I have opened the project, or oh, I do. Cool. So what I want to achieve now is to somehow filter like things which have same property. Let's say it will be, well, something else. This one works, alright, so I can have a I don't need you, and capturing groups also I don't need right now. Stream, and there's a thing, and there will be this dot line ID or job line ID. It will be, and it will be. You know what? And I will put in int job line ID like so, and then I will generate. Yes, I will. Constructor which has all of those. Okay, name, quantity, total price, job line ID. Okay, cool. Now this will be and the toString should be also different. Not calendar, I think, yes. The toString should be toString, all of it. Yes, replace the existing one. Thank you. And we will add here some parameters. This will have Mhm. This will have the ID, right? The ID is the last one. Yeah, so this will be 1, this will be 2, and this will be 2 also. Okay, so what do I want to achieve? Right now, it reduces the things into one thing. That's not something I want to do. What I want is to have a list of things where I will be combining uh, some parts. Hmm. Basically, those two should be combined, and the rest not. Hmm. There's a blank in my head. Well, let's try to do it without. Maybe I can find. Any job line ID. Oh, I don't need you for this moment and you at this time. Stream. Oh, there's a more thing. Recommended post. Character stream versus by stream. Difference between stream off and array stream. For each versus stream for each versus parallel stream for each. Stream limit, skip, reduce. Java examples. Concat distinct. Looks interesting. Sorted. Max sorted. Minimum generate. What is stream generate? Stream count. Stream off. Under the stream off. Stream peak. Stream up, I think I know, but I will look at it too. We perform where a stream reduces the single resultant value, for example, maximum, minimum, simple, etc. This operation applies binary operator to each element in the stream, where the first argument to the operator is the return value of the previous application, and second argument is the current stream element. Okay, but I don't want to reduce it to a single thing. Sure, why not? Here's an example with big gap over here. Oh, fuck you. Stream distinct. Returns a string consisting of distinct elements in stream. Distinct is the method stream interface. This uses hash code and equals methods. Okay, so this would not be the thing I want because it says list stream distinct and it filters out something. So that's not what I want. And maybe I could do it. Maybe I can find distinct IDs. Right. So how can I can reduce it. Right, so the first will be, I say, there will be list IDs, and that will be things dot stream, and then there will be map dot map, and there will be, I will take an X and I will output X dot, give it to you, job line ID, collectors to list, and I can print it out. Yes, and I should get 1 to 2. In the list. Okay, so then I can find something which there is more than once. How will I do that? Non-unique or something? I can say maybe the non-unique things. So distinct stream generate, what is it? Returns an infinite sequential unordered stream where element is generated by the provider supplier. Constant stream of random elements, etc. Stream generate new random next int limit 5 for each. Okay, so 5 random numbers. And for each we print it out. Okay, I got it, and this is not what I want. Returns count of elements in stream. This is a special case of reduction. A reduction operation takes a sequence of input elements, combines them into a single summary result by repeated application and combining. This is a terminal operation. It may traverse the stream to produce a result or a side effect. After the terminal operation is performed, the stream pipeline is considered consumed and can no longer be used. Okay, the terminal operation kind of kills it. Stream of geeks that will G E E K S, I think. Stream of 5. So 5, okay. Stream of 4L. Stream peak. Consumer. Returns a stream consisting of elements that performing provided action. This is an intermediate operation. Creates a new stream. Okay, how would I do it not using streams? So maybe... Okay, so first thing, I'm already thinking about multiple things, so back off. I need to firstly at least some working solution find, and then we will take care about the effectivity. So we want now find the duplicated values. You know, like the job line ID, if that is like... So we have the IDs, the list of the IDs, right? Now we will iterate over all of it, and we take the first one. If the first one, I will remove it from the list, and I wonder if... can I do that? How can I remove element from X from list? I forgot what the list has. Java list. Yeah, that looks good. So I open this and this, for example. Interface, and okay, so where are the methods? Contains, okay, so it has contains. So, and can I remove it? Remove int index. There's a remove. Retain all. So maybe I could do what? Remove list iterator last index of is empty. Get public and list Java. What would be the solution? Okay, go. Yeah, and so for example. Yeah, Stack Overflow is good. Okay, find duplicates. There is add offset returns a boolean whether a value already exists. The true if it does not exist. False if it already exists. Okay, but I want to find only the duplicates. I don't want... That's not... This thing, collector, tester. Collections frequency. There's the original. That one is interesting. So maybe I can do... Okay, so we will have another example, and that will be list, or that could be anything. That could be a number. Okay, so I'll say list duplicates equals arrays as list, and in here we will have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4. Okay, now I will do this will be all IDs, and I say this will be stream Now it will be all IDs, stream, filter, and he will be, I will take the element, and I say, what it will be, collections frequency. Collections frequency. It doesn't have that. It's like free. Oh, this object model. You can call this thing to only have unique elements. Oh, it doesn't have the frequency. It's collectors, and I want that collections. Okay, that's why. Collections frequency. So the collection will be all IDs. Will be all IDs, and then the second is some sort of, yeah, so, and then I'll say the element, and that will be greater than 1. Collect, we'll extract it to some variable. And this will be dot play gates, and it will be list. Oh, come on. List. Come on! Fuck! List. Here we go. No, it complains. Why? Maybe because this guy over here is integer. Okay. No, now it knows. Okay. And I will print it out. So, duplicates, and let's go. So I expect to have 2 and 4. It's cooking. It's cooking. And it's empty array. Okay. Okay, so if I do equal to 1, will I get the unique values? Does it work at all? Does it work at all? One free, yeah, that works. So, oh fuck, it should be this. I had it reversed. Okay, and then we will have that, and then we will say here distinct, I think, distinct, and then collect. And now when I run it, I will have 2 and 4, I believe. Two and 4, great, great, great. So if I put it on just IDs, basic, oh fuck, I formatted this again. Okay, here, here, here. Okay, cool. Now I can present in here. Come on. Yeah. Okay. So and then I will duplicate, 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 and this will be. Oh, I don't have to call mine here. So we'll fix that. But other than that, I will have 2, 2, 3, 4, 4. Duplicate. Okay, and I will change. I'll just delete this. Maybe. Is it? Why is it lagging again? All right. Okay, and I will replace all IDs with IDs. Replace. Cool. And also I need to provide here the teacher. It will be the type of this, and I'll run it. And I should get 2 and 4 again. Cool. Cool. And now I want to get those lines. So I say okay, so I say duplicates dot stream. Then I say for each. No, it will. Yeah, for each. Well, I don't have much of time, so I'll finish this. Well, we are over the time, but I wanted to finish it a little bit. For each, and the ID, we say for each I will do, and that will be int ID and IDS. No, it will be duplicates. I will do something. What's the problem in here? Required object. Okay, so it will be int, and I'll change this to integer. Okay, now it works. And we will have first I can get a list thing, and that will be non-duplicated, and that will be equal to things. Fuck chemos. Don't buy chemos. Things dot stream dot filter. I will take the thing, and if that thing now it will be duplicates dot contains, and here will be thing dot job line ID, and I want the reverse, so it will be like this, and then we collect to list, and I should get 2 lines. The first and unique one, and then we have unique 3. Alright, and I will print it out just to know that I have non-duplicated. Work. Okay, so we have the unique 1 and unique 3. Oh, that's awesome, it works. It's alive. Alright, so we have non-duplicates, and then we will have list thing. This will be summed, just like that, and then fuck emails. We will say for each duplicate, so we will list think tmp equals, and this will be things dot stream filter. It will be go away. It will be this guy, but with reversed reverse condition. So where's this guy? Okay. And no. I don't want this. I will filter the entire thing, and I will say thing jugline ID equals ID. Okay, and then I need to add the value, right? So it will be list, and here I will now I have to sum all the quantity and total price and put it in inside of there. So now I can reduce it, I think, and that will be well, I know how to do it with two reduces. It doesn't feel. I think so. Maybe I can say tmp quantity. It will be integer and tmp total price, and I say tmp list stream for each. I'll say think, and we say in here we'll call this, and this will do tmp. Here we will do two things. So tmp quantity plus equals think quantity. That's one thing, and then we will do what's the matter in here? Might not have been initialized. Okay, so we say 0, and here we say also 0, and tmp total tmp Total price plus equals thing. Total price. Yep. Okay. Cool. So now I'll format it. Okay, what's the problem in here? Should be final or effectively final. Okay, so this doesn't work for some reason. Oh, never mind. I'm almost 20 minutes over the time limit, which means we are done, very, 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 very done. See you next time.